Hi guys, I am here with a Vitamix 5200. This Vitamix is 10 years old, and I just wanted to make a quick video to say that this company has the best quality that I've ever seen in a blender. So I can make soup out of this, I can make smoothies, it will blend anything. And there are a few things that I love about it. Number one, it is self-cleaning. So all you do is add a few drops of soap, just your normal dish liquid, put the lid on and secure it, and then turn it. You leave it on for about 60 seconds, you rinse it, and you are good to go. So this blender actually does not come apart. So you don't have to worry about parts, losing parts, spending your time. It is literally that simple. It also comes with this really cool tamper. So I usually use that, and then you can just tamp down your ingredients. And one thing I did notice is that it is variable, but I do not recommend using the variable speed other than in the very beginning. So I didn't realize this years ago, but I was using it on like 4 and 5, and the motor was starting to burn. So I called them and they said, our blender is designed to be used on high. So you can just leave this on high like I have it, or you can use it variable, it doesn't really matter. But this blender is designed to be used on high. So that's one thing that you need to remember. And the other thing is that they offer a 7-year warranty. So if you do burn out the motor, you can literally just send it back to them. They will fix it and they will return it to you for free. So really cool, love Vitamix, thank you Vitamix, and I will be using your blender for years to come.